Futura wheel covers review. Should you buy Futura wheel covers? Are these Futura hubcaps a good look for your vehicle? Let's find out. I've got the black. This is a 2007 Nissan Quest. Comes with the 16-inch factory alloy wheels, but I figured my van would look pretty cool if it had some black wheels. So let's go ahead. It says easy to install. It says 15 minutes to put all four on. Take a look here, the hardware. It's got this brass copper fitting on there to give you a nice snug tight fit. We're gonna put them on, see what they look like. Now I will tell you, I did have some trouble putting these on my wheels. No, it wouldn't fit at all. It wouldn't fit flush. I couldn't get it to clamp down, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this really quickly. We're gonna do a modification. I'm gonna show you how to put yours on if you're having a difficult time. Just use a little bit of tape. I used some tape, taped it onto the tire, and there we go. So what do you think? Do you think these Futura wheel covers look good? Is it an upgrade for your vehicle? Is it an upgrade for mine? Leave a comment about these Futura wheel covers. Let me know what you think.